In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix unstable internet connection on Windows 11 computer. First of all, you have to make sure your network adapter is enabled. Right click on the Start menu, click on Run. In Run, type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. You have to make sure network adapter is enabled. If you find it disabled, right click on it and click on Enable. Close network adapter wizard. Next fix, go to search. In search, type cmd. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as administrator. In command prompt, type netsh winsock reset. It will reset the winsock catalog back to clean state, clearing corrupt network socket configurations. Hit enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. Now type next command, netsh int ip reset. It will rewrite important registry keys used by the TCP IP stack to repair core IP routing protocols. Hit enter. Reset done, and you need to restart the computer to complete this action. Close command prompt and then restart your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your internet connection problem has been solved. If your internet connection problem is still continuing, you have to go for next fix. Again, go to search. In search, type cmd. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as administrator. In command prompt, type ipconfig/relays. It will drop your current local IP address assigned by the router. Hit enter. Now type ipconfig/renew. It will request a fresh new local IP address from your router's DHCP server. Hit enter. IP address is again assigned in my wireless network adapter. Now type ipconfig/DNS. It will clear the DNS resolver cache, removing outdated or corrupted website address mapping. Hit enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now close command prompt. Hope these fixes will solve your network connection problem. If your network connection problem is still continuing, you have to change the DNS address. Right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run, type ncpa.cpl, then click on OK. Right click on your network adapter, click on Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on Properties. Do not make any changes in IP address option. Just select use the following DNS server address and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8. It's Google public DNS server address. In alternative DNS server, you can use Cloudflare DNS server IP address 1.1.1.1. Click on OK, then click on Close. Close network connection wizard. That's it. Hope these steps will fix unstable internet connection on Windows 11 computer.